Hello all, Sabello here. I want to show you today a Pirate Hall 9 design. I've been asked by a couple of people now to create a Pirate Hall 9 design. So here we go. Actually, let's spin it round this way and zoom out a little bit. Just give you a moment of time to be able to pause. I believe I've got the right amount of... There might be an extra outhouse in there, so put that accordingly. This is just a rough sketch of my current Pirate Hall 11. I use it for Pirate Hall 10 as well, but I've adapted it for Pirate Hall 9. This is one angle, so take a moment to pause it, please. Ignore the different looking buildings because obviously I'm Pirate Hall 11 and I can't change the appearance decorations. Just put them however you like, but try and make sure that you're trying to push your island out as far away as possible. In these sections here, where the shark trap is and the Christmas tree, make sure you don't put buildings in there, otherwise the troops will want to go in that angle. This one would be fine here. We have the flagpole in here for the Sky Raiders, so you want your tall buildings to predict where their Sky Raiders will come in from. So you want tall buildings there. Gold mines are included with that as well. Flagpoles, as I discussed. Legendary fort will block them, etc, etc. I'm pretty sure I've gone over that before, but the main important part is hiding here, is the ARRR there. So why it's not got this part of the range, and this is you're going to be your weakest spot into the base, but it's still very effective because people will try and deploy around here. The ARRR, and you might be able to see I've left a little gap in there, a little tile. We can pull it this way slightly if we want to, so it covers a bit better range lower down, which would be beneficial, of course. So maybe, yeah, leave it like that. And this will cover a better range for the aeronauts coming in. I also have the ground pounders. You can put these on short range, but they're going to be probably better used long range, or should I say medium range. Now I'm going to quickly explain this for this purposes here. Why do I not have the ground pounder, this one facing here and the other one face round there? I will tell you why. Because if I, for instance, deploy my troops here, I use heavy gunners and I take out this ground pounder. Now I can deploy my whole army, this section of the map, because they will come through here and not have to face any ground pounders. And obviously leaving this one here pretty much useless because it's facing the wrong way. Now if I flip them, again, let's flip them back around to the right location. This one covers, so they're in a crossfire. If they take out this ground pounder, and their troops going to be deploying now, then they've got to handle this ground pounder here, which, as you can see, I've extended the walls there so the troops have walked down. Ignore any traps that have not got set up currently, and the same goes for this, so it works out a lot better. The shorter range, I wouldn't really go with that, to be honest with you. This is not quite symmetrical, this base. It is a little off, so when you're constructing it, please make sure you've got plenty of time to pause. So again, let's go from this angle here. Just zoom out enough here. I mean, you can take screenshots, pause the video, take a screenshot of your screen, and you'll be able to zoom in that way. So I've gave you enough time to do that now. I am going to get all four sides of the base for you. Again, I would try not to explain too much here. You've got a closed off wall at the top there. Let's zoom out again, and where these, I have 3 voodoo gates. Again, I'm not too sure on the trap aspect of things, what you have and what you don't have, so my apologies for that. Now the smoke might make it seem like some of these walls, that's why I'm doing 4 angles, are not in positions, but they are. Everything's well covered there. Let's just zoom in a little bit more. There we go. Now if you're wondering how far away from the edge of the map these buildings are, I cannot pull them down any further, although it's indicating the arrow comes down. So if you'd like to deploy your builders' huts and anything, just push them on the edge of this map here. Then you'll know roughly where to start building the base around it. I would move this probably gold mine there to close off the bit of water there. But generally I think you get the gist of it. So push all the decorations everything to the edge of this side of the map. Then you can put your ship down and then probably start building your walls around that. Got that location there sorted. Now is our last side. Again, take screenshots at all 4 angles. I mean, you can change it so you can put like an outhouse over here in the corner, so it makes it harder for them, and maybe one over here, however you like to. let's leave that there for you. And I hope this is going to help. I mean, you've got Legendary Fort there that's pretty well protected. So it's the most protected, but I mean, it's going to take quite a bit of firepower. We've got a bunker facing this way. We've got, I mean, you can change the bunkers around, maybe put them in with the Mystic Mortars, or you probably find some room in this base. There is room, like here, there's some room. And here with the shippers, you can move things a little bit and probably make room to get them, the bunker there, and that one up there, within the base. This is just a rough gist to get you guys and girls sorted. And I hope this is going to help everyone hitting Pirate Rule 9. This is a very good base design, if I do say so myself. So I hope you enjoyed this short video. Thanks for watching all. Good luck with it, and bye for now.